spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. Alright, I made it, so now what? I paid my dues in factories. I worked until I bled. The suffering made me stronger, just one I pushed. For years I was adrift, and now I'm perched above the factory floor, looking down at my friends swallow on a cliff. In my comfy car I drive away, there was nowhere left to go. Became more clear, 'cause I'm already there. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? I'm already 'cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. Alright, I made it, so now what? I paid my dues in factories. I worked until I bled. Told me the suffering made me stronger, so I pushed the finish lines behind you. And now I'm perched above the factory floor, looking down at my friends below. And you're still standing in my comfy car. I drive away, but there is nowhere left to go. Out the crowded